Today's episode is about EON Reality's HealthView 360 platform, a revolutionary medical training system powered by Spatial AI and XR technology. This platform is transforming the way healthcare professionals learn, train, and perform medical procedures, providing real-time data and immersive 3D simulations that allow medical teams to practice and refine their skills without the risk.
That's right. EON HealthView 360 doesn't just offer traditional training, it brings AI-driven interactivity to medical education. Doctors, nurses, and medical students can now engage with virtual patients, run diagnostic tests, and perform surgical simulations using spatially accurate real-time data. This ensures that healthcare professionals gain the critical skills needed to save lives, faster and with higher retention than traditional methods.
And what's truly groundbreaking is the AI-powered correlation engine that analyzes data from lab tests, imaging studies, and patient history to help physicians make faster, more accurate diagnoses. The system also provides real-time feedback, helping medical teams improve their clinical decision-making on the spot.
Exactly. This platform is designed to enhance the performance of healthcare professionals by providing them with interactive learning that goes beyond textbooks and lectures. Whether it's clinical procedures, surgical training, or patient care, EON HealthView 360 enables a real-world learning experience that simulates real-life scenarios.
What's even more impressive is that this is just the beginning. EON HealthView 360 is constantly evolving, with continuous updates to medical knowledge and clinical guidelines, ensuring that healthcare professionals always have access to the latest research and best practices.
It's a game changer for healthcare education, helping medical professionals perform better, faster, and with greater confidence. This system truly bridges the gap between theory and practice, making learning and patient care more effective and efficient than ever before.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.